Okay, so in this video, I will let ChatGPT compete against the total new AI DeepSeek. So in this video, we will let both AIs create a Tetris game with the exact same prompt. So let's type in the prompt, create a Tetris game in a modern style, only use one HTML code. So this is our prompt, and now we will take a look which AI is able to create the code faster to create a better result and how it is created. So let's press start on both AIs and we want the answer in the chat. As you can see, ChatGPT is already working on the result on the HTML code, and right here on the left side we have DeepSeek and we have a thinking process. So DeepSeek is creating a text where the AI describes on which problem it is working on. So as you can see, okay, I need to create a Tetris game by using only one HTML file with a modern style. Let me break down what's required. So we have all steps done by the AI, and on the right side we have the prompt, and then here the result. As you can see, both are still working. On the left side we still have the thinking process, and ChatGPT is already creating the result. So as you can see, ChatGPT has a long result already, and I don't know why, but on the left side we still have the thinking process. So it took 17 seconds. I think that is a lie, so we stayed here for a little bit longer, but now we have the HTML code getting created, and on the right side we already have the project finished. Okay, so the code is now finished as well on DeepSeek, but it took around 2 more minutes than ChatGPT. So as you can see, we get a short instruction how to play, and now we are able to press run HTML in DeepSeek, and right here we can copy both codes, put them in right here, and this is ChatGPT. So down on the bottom we are able to see what key is doing which command controls. Okay, arrow keys, move, rotate. So I think if we use the arrows, we are able to go down faster, move to the right, move to the left, drop and rotate the piece. So I think, okay, the spacebar is not working, so we are not able to instant drop the piece to the ground. So the spacebar and arrow down are exactly the same commands, and we don't have any game over button if we are on the top. So let's test if the score is working correctly. So let's put that one in right here, and now we have a score of 10. So this is working, but we have no game over button and we are not able to drop the piece directly to the ground. And I think the design is not really modern. So let's test out DeepSeek. So delete, go over right here, click on copy and put this one in. So this is our creation right here. Get in, and now we are able to drop, rotate, move to the left, move to the right, and we are even able to hard drop the pieces to the ground. So as you can see, all the commands on the right side are possible and the score is even working. Then let's test this, and this one is working as well. And now we want to see if we get a game over button and a play again button. So let's build this up, and now we have a game over and a play again button. Press play again, and this one is working as well. To summarize this test of these two AIs, we have to say that ChatGPT was a little bit faster, around 2 minutes, which is okay, but I think in this case we are not used to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, so I think a creation time of around 2 or 3 minutes is still fine. fine. So much more important is the final output. For DeepSeek, the output was pretty impressive. So we had all the options we wanted to. We are able to move, to rotate, to drop the piece fast, and all the counters were working. For ChatGPT, we were not able to drop the piece directly to the ground, and we had no game over button. So when we were on the top, the game was finished and we started immediately again. For DeepSeek, the design was a little bit more modern and we had different colors. On ChatGPT, we only had the yellow color and we had a more older, simple design.